guys, welcome back to another video of Storm Chasing Gaming. Today we're gonna start with more tornadoes since I uploaded a new video, so let's go into it. Wrong place. Why I keep going to the wrong place? Let's go. Let's find any. Oh, new storm forming. There's a new storm forming. Where is it? No. I think it's this way. Don't. Yep, we're in the storm. Oh gosh. Yep, we're in it. You see the cape? Cape is 3,308. Storm. Ooh. See some fall clouds. Getting foggy. Oh god, this could be like a perfect one. Yeah, there's a rip. We're in it, boys. Let's go. Yes. Oh, it's getting really foggy. Oh. We're in it. Yellow. Alright. Where should it go? Oh, red area. Going to Hazelton. I think it would come to Hazelton. Oh, I missed it. Turn around. This is like an off-road vehicle. But yeah, I see some fall clouds. Ooh. I miss. Ooh. Looks like I did. In the wrong area, I'm in the wrong area. Not sure where the surface. Okay, let's go. Yes, I always accept people's friend requests. Ooh. Hail. Coming toward, yep, it's in Hazelton. Red area. Yep. It's a full-blown storm. Alright. Ooh. Where is that? It was near me. Rotation. Over there. I have to take a turn. Oh, and the wrong whip. What it turned out to. My miss. Go back. Let's go. Going in grass. I thought I saw something. So many lightning. Oh my god. Turn. Ooh. Barely missed a stop sign. Yeah, a full-blown tornado. Why is it so slow going up here? Come on. Alright, let's do it. I was planning to do a multiplayer with my tablet, but, well, it didn't work out. My tablet's cape is so low. Yep, someone's chasing it. I don't know who's even it, but someone's chasing. Alright. What turn should I go next? Still go forward. Somebody's coming this way. Then turn. Yeah, right there. I think I'm going to turn on my lights. Yep, they're on. So what is... Oh god, I missed. Oh, I see it. For a brief second. Oh god. Oh no. Oh god, I see it. Which way is it going? At all? Oh yeah, it's right there. Turn. Oh my god, look at that. Not in first person. Man, I wish I had more. Yeah, we're getting close to it. Gotta deploy my probes this in a few minutes. When we, which way is it going? Oh, it's hitting a place. It's hitting places. Somebody's chasing it. We need to take that turn. Yep, we're in it. Have to take a turn. Turn! Oh, all this did I get drift. Yep, we're getting close. I'll go slow. Get us skidding as let's go. Getting close. Okay, I'll stop here now. I'll stop here. Move this way. Yet it is. Deploy my probes. Go back. National Weather Service. 84. Go. Go back. This is a wedge. This is like a wedge. Big boy. I'm gonna grab my probe. Let's go to it. Let's do it. I wonder how these trees survived, because it was in the path. Yeah. Oh yeah. Get in my probes. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Oh my god. Which way is it going? It's going this way. Grab my probes. Grabbing my probes. Grab my probes. Okay, let's go. I'm in my bed. Ooh, the Earth Day wears cold winds are here. Go back. Go to the road that is going towards to. This is a full-blown tornado. Rated EF3 now. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Also, Jesse, if you're watching this, can we both make a video? But I don't have a mic and I'm in mobile. So I'll just speak in the chat. But I don't know how. I have no Robux, only have one more death. Mip. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Where is the tornado? Oh! Yeah, about that. Oh my god! We're going in! We're going in! I'm fine, totally fine. Yes, I'm inside a tornado and I'm fine. Yes, I'm really fine. I'm deploying my probes. Deploy my probes. Go back. Alright. Why do I keep going to the wrong seat? I die. If I get pulled into, ooh! New tornado, new tornado, new tornado. Look at that luck. Get my probes. Bye bye probes. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Listen, full blown new tornado. I think it's rated. Oh, it's going through. Come on, work. Come on. Oh, never mind. It's going now. Oh, bruh. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Turning on my lights. Someone's there. Let's go. Let's go. I know, yeah. We already know it. Yep. Bye, guys. Why do you keep getting disconnected?